From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, the Director General of the National Youth Service Corps (NYSC), Brigadier General Yusau Ahmed, has announced that corps members will begin receiving a revised monthly allowance of 77,000 naira starting in February 2025. Speaking on Thursday while addressing the 2024 Batch C-Stream 2 corps members in Katsina, Ahmed revealed that the increment has been incorporated into the 2025 federal government budget. He stated, "This month, January, has already ended, but once the budget is passed, by next month, February, you will start receiving 77,000 naira instead of the usual 33,000 naira. He highlighted that the approval for the new allowance came from the federal government and encouraged corps members to show appreciation by being diligent during their service here. Reaffirming his commitment to their welfare and security, Ahmed assured corps members that they won't be posted to areas experiencing security threats. We will not send our corps members to wherever we have challenges of security threats. Wherever we send them, they will be less assured that the place is safe and secure for them to serve," he said. We will continue to monitor the story for more new development. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.